Bitcoin in a crucial time. We need to make a decision. You want to know all the information about the crypto world? Then smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max with Rodrigo Arnedo. We were so happy that Bitcoin was in the train to 100K all over our videos, but we have this cat like, why is going down? And we were so scared that Bitcoin, after breaking the $69,000 line for 2 days in a row, we are going down as 66,500 at the moment of recording this video. And this is the moment for Bitcoin to decide if we are going to $70,000 to $85,000 or we are going to the downside of this parallel channel around 50K. What do you think about that? Red Capital, everybody told us we need to make now support what was resistance in the past. And how can that happen? Well, we can go all the way down to 64,861, something like that. And you can see till we break that point and we go lower, we are okay, allegedly. We'll see about that. We don't want to be pessimistic. We have the MACD cross that usually is bullish. But any case, this is Bitcoin and anything can happen. We were promised our path to 100K. And you can see that even though we might be still on that path, we had some pullbacks. So that would be something natural, even in our way to that possibility. Here, Naive telling us that Bitcoin this week is just going circles like this guy up and down trying to make us crazy. And if we consider what's going to happen till year's end, well, we have here the weekly with Glassnode. And remember that I predicted a lot of weeks in the green as we had in the past in similar situations. Right now, we are in 43rd week and we are in the red. But just 3 times in Bitcoin history, this week was red. So why is this going to be the 4th one? Maybe not. We still have some room this week for Bitcoin to go higher. We'll see about that. Also, consider that on week 44th, just once in Bitcoin history, it was red. So yeah, good times ahead of us. According to this, remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not expert. Do not trade with my information whatsoever. But I provide you with nice charts like this one. Remember to smash the like button. And you can see that at some points in the past in October, like in 2017 and 2021, we went down from the point we are right now. So we are following exactly these paths. We will go like this till end of October and then recover. Well, that's a possibility. Also in 2016, we did something similar and then recover at the end of the month. In 2020, we were in a more optimistic path. So what do you think about this? Are we following 2018 and going down? Time will tell. And we will tell you here on Crypto News, of course, 6% right now, October in the green, still despite everything. And we are just 13 days away of election day and decision from the Fed in United States. Very, very interesting. Also, we are coming to a Halloween. Very interesting moment. Nesta here comparing situation right now with 2017 as we do. And you can see that right now would be around this point here, just ready for the parabolic mode. What do you think about this? And what happened? Well, the stock market went down, and that's why everything went down. But today, even though Japan is going down, we had a good run in China. And yeah, we are just watching the markets. Dollar is going higher, which is not good. We are losing faith that this is just some weeks and we are going to go lower as we did in the past in similar situation. So yeah, not a very good moment. Even though Forbes told us that the likely cause of Bitcoin pumping is the expectation of Donald Trump winning the presidential election in 2 weeks. So if we have a president in the United States that loves Bitcoin, that would be good for our interest. He's so funny, at McDonald's, working for 1 day there. We have so many pictures created by AI with Donald Trump and Kamala Harris on McDonald's. But now this is for reals. Well, this is Elon Musk's tweet, and also I have Donald Trump's tweet. So it seems that he went there. Donald Trump making a better campaign, of course. Also, he's doing things like going to a barber in the Bronx. So, yeah, he's having some fun. I think he understands better how media works right now, and he might be up for a win. So, maybe that's good for our interests. Elon Musk said that crypto, by its very nature, helps with individual freedom, which is awesome. He's rallying, also helping Donald Trump. And he said, even though he said that crypto is okay, that he's not actually actively involved in crypto. And he makes Dogecoin jokes and stuff because he just likes things like that. So he likes somehow Dogecoin. Tesla still owns 767 million Bitcoin in dollars value after wallet rotation last week. So yeah, they are not selling. We'll see if he announces that he's accepting Dogecoin and Bitcoin on Tesla cells in the future. And in an electoral mode still, we have Ripple co-founder Chris Larsen saying he's donating $10 million in XRP to Kamala Harris. The community didn't like that whatsoever. And what we do like is that Milei in Argentina, he is closing people getting taxes there, and he is creating something much more small than that. That's just some good news for us. Maybe in Spain in the future we can do something like this. Maybe we can have Milei coming to Spain and governing us. That would be amazing, so we don't have to flew to other countries, maybe Japan. Now Japan's Democratic Party of the People, the leader of this party, pledged to cut Bitcoin and crypto taxes if elected. Everything is better than in Spain right now, but remember that you still have to do your tax report and you need coin tracking for that. So you have a link in the description below with a 10% discount. Regulators, this is for all you, especially for Gary Gensler in the SEC United States, now saying happy birthday, happy 16th birthday for Bitcoin. Just in a couple of weeks, it's going to turn 16.
So happy sweet 16 in a week. There's nothing.
Happy sweet 16 in a week. That's Gary Gensler words. In a world that we are crazy right now, here are some considerations like the stock market, gold, silver going up like crazy, oil crashing like a global recession, utilities stocks are having one of the best years in the century, global central banks cutting rates as if a global recession is already here. So what does all this mean? Maybe a bubble ahead of us. Paul Tudor Jones also telling us that all roads lead to inflation, and that's why he's long on gold, on Bitcoin, and commodities. And having cash is a very bad idea right now. So maybe we have to follow this playbook by now. Consider that if you bought a house for $1 million 15 years ago and sold it for $2,500,000 today, you have still outperformed the Standard & Poor's 500. I think people get amazed by real estate returns because it's the one asset they actually just hold for a long time. But you have other assets out there which are better. The market is greedy, 71 right now, and Max Kaiser telling us that has precedes price. So the has adjust infer price for Bitcoin is now 375,000 per Bitcoin. It should go higher. Everybody buying on the ETFs, BlackRock like crazy, creating some records again. And yeah, some data from those ETFs that made them the best performers out there. And Get Vardelag telling us that Bitcoin is just poised for following the structural path of Standard & Poor's 500 and gold. So we might have a cap and handle and then a crazy rally. Hopefully so. Consider that in 2025, banks in Spain, they are going to launch services about crypto. I will tell you more about this in further videos, but just VVVA and CaixaBank, also Santander, they are all moving so that we have those services next year. That's amazing. Despite the market in the red, the bubbles are in the red. You can follow them with dexters.io, of course. Link in the description below. And now they have a Dex pad where you are going to be able of knowing the best projects firsthand. So do not miss that out. You have the best projects there. They will come, they will appear here. Also some staking pools. And the best staking pool for us in Cardano is, of course, ours, Fanon. And we are in a row. We just validated 2 blocks in Epoch 517, but 3 blocks in 516, and 2 blocks in 515, and 1 block in 514. So if you wanna be part of this good luck, well, come with us. Validate Cardano with us. Thank you very much. Ethereum is not breaking the 2700 even though it was there, but now down with Bitcoin, of course, as usual. And here are some considerations from Lagarde Davis. Bitcoin is around 6% away from all-time high, Ethereum 43%, Solana 35%, Link 77%, ADA 87%. So of these 5, which one could give maximum gains in the bull market? This is a consideration that you might have. Leave a comment below telling me what do you think about this. Maybe Link is going to be the one. Well, it now has an initiative with institutions like Swift. It's going to demonstrate how Chainlink Oracle networks can be combined with large language models to validate and deliver near real-time financial data across multiple cross chains. So AI, crypto, very interesting. Also that the ETN on Solana is going to introduce staking. So maybe Solana the one, or maybe it's Dogecoin. Shibetoshi Nakamoto, co-creator of Doge, sold all his Doge, as you know. Right now he's living just on the donations that he gets in his addresses. So he has a lot of spam. He sells the spam and he's living with that. I found that curious. And here, this guy short selling Dogecoin, fighting with the dog. Amazing stuff too. If I get rich from crypto, I'm not telling anyone, but there will be signs. Would you do this if you are rich with crypto in the future? Any case, consider buying a Treasure Cold wallet so you sleep okay at night. Maybe buy some Bitcoin, some Ethereum, stake some Ethereum with a Treasure, and that would be the path to that richness in the future, so that you can be with your friends, just eating a nice meal there with some beers like this panda are having. And also, just don't be too scared about the market conditions right now, like this cat is with the snake. We just keep on learning. We are happy people learning about AI with our channel Intelligencia Artificial with Rodrigo Ornedo, and also learning about crypto, of course, here on CryptoNews. Health, money, love, party in peace. And the best is yet to come. To the moon!